So hey guys, today I'm here in my client's place and today I will be doing a setup. It's a tropical and Hawaiian setup. So right now I'm wearing the aloha necklace and stuff. So yeah, so for now I'm going to do the table and then later I'll do the backdrop. So by the way guys, if you are new here, welcome guys to my channel. Subscribe and like this video, and yeah, and also hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I will upload videos like this one. Alright, so I'll just doing a setup and then voice over and then that's it. Yeah. So measurements, materials and all will be in my description box as usual. So yeah. Alright guys, to begin the setup, I put the white tablecloth on the table and secure the corners using sewing pins, and here I just grab the cloth and pin it together downwards. Moving on to the skirting, I use white cotton polyester fabric to cover up the legs of the table and also to do the skirting. When I do table skirting, I normally start pinning the fabric on the middle part of the table. By the way guys, I already have a video on how to do basic table skirting. It's the same technique of what I'm doing here, but that video is more detailed tutorial. You can watch that video and I will link it in my description box, or I will flash an end cards on top of the monitor. Yeah, it matches with my necklace. My birthday decor setup for today is a Hawaiian tropical setup. My client is celebrating her 60th birthday and she's into tropical theme. So here I'm attaching the Hawaiian straw skirting. To secure it, I use sewing pins and pinning the Hawaiian straw skirt to the tablecloth. As you can see here, I pin it at the back of the flowers so that the pins won't show or display. Just making sure our setup is neat and clean. Do this process until you finish securing the entire Hawaiian skirt. to the backdrop. Again guys, I have a separate video of how I make these hibiscus flowers. These hibiscus flowers is colorful, easy, and fun to do. So if you want to know how I did these hibiscus flowers, I will link the video on my end screen. Make sure guys you watch this video first because end screen will appear right after this video. So yes. And if you're wondering guys what I use to hold the flower frame to the backdrop frame, I use zip ties because using zip ties, you just tie and zip and you're done. Easy. Yay! By the way, all the materials on this setup like the tropical leaves, tropical birthday banner, fairy lights, and the straw skirt, I purchased them online, eBay. So eBay is my go-to online shopping store for my decor setup. I purchased them ahead of time because shipping will take 3 to 4 weeks before delivery. That's outside Australia, and a week when you buy it from Australian seller, but it double the price though. So whichever you prepare. So that's where I purchase all my decor setup. So any occasion, so eBay is the store that suit on my budget for my decors. So yes. Alright guys, that's it for my tropical Hawaiian birthday decor setup. I'm proud to say that my client was happy and she's having fun celebrating her birthday with her family and friends. So yes, alright guys, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming DIY videos. So yes, alright guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys. Mwah.